Winter storm Orlena hits the northeast with heavy snow, strong winds, coastal flooding. Orlena will bring its heaviest snowfall to the northeast through Monday night, lingering into Tuesday. Strong winds and coastal flooding will also occur. Orlena blanketed parts of the Midwest with snowfall over the weekend. Winter storm Orlena is snarling travel in the northeast with heavy snow and strong winds from parts of New England to the northern mid-Atlantic, including parts of the Boston, New York City and Philadelphia metro areas. Orlena's snow extends from New England and upstate New York to parts of the mid-Atlantic states to the Appalachians and eastern Great Lakes. The heaviest bands of snow extend from parts of eastern Pennsylvania into northern New Jersey, southeast New York, Long Island and southern New England. Snowfall rates as high as 3 inches per hour have been observed. Maximum storm snowfall totals are on the order of 20 inches or more from eastern Pennsylvania to northern New Jersey. The highest total as of 5:25 p.m. EST is 27 inches in Mendham, New Jersey. New York City's Central Park had picked up 15.3 inches of snow as of just after 5 p.m. EST. That makes Orlena the first snowstorm to dump a foot or more of snow on the city in just over 5 years. Strong winds occurring mainly near the coast from Delaware to New England. A wind gust to 63 miles per hour was clocked on the Jersey Shore at Bayhead early on Monday. A few gusts over 50 miles per hour